So once I click on the Get Recommended Model button, I get to this new screen where I have more information concerning my selected very specific model. On the top, you have some general information, the number of distinct factors involved, considering all the terms in the model, the number of degrees of freedom for model estimation, and so on. You have some other statistical criteria. A more brief description about these criteria is mentioned in the documentation page. You can look at the effect details, which will be more interesting for some people. Here, for each effect, you have what its coefficient value is. For the coefficient, there is some uncertainty associated with it, so there's a standard error, and then there's a t-statistic value and the corresponding p-value to assess if a term is statistically significant or not. In this case, it appears that all terms are statistically significant except for this main effect for x5 and the interaction for x1 and x3. Here, for statistical significance, I'm taking a threshold of 0.05 as to declare something as statistically significant. Now, for each coefficient, you have a lower and upper limit to display the level of uncertainty associated with estimating the coefficient. And you see that you see that the coefficient bounds are not very big, which is good, which means that we are very sure of or we can be very sure of the estimate that we have for the coefficient. In certain cases, you will see that if the p-value is greater than 0.05, the coefficient window or the coefficient interval, or more statistically speaking, the confidence interval will have the value 0 in it.